Hello, we're here at Adventure Island down here in Tampa to take a ride on the new slide, Solar Vortex. I'm excited. It's a beautiful sunny day out. Let's go!
Solar Vortex is a brand new attraction at Adventure Island this year. It's America's first dual tailspin ride, and it also has some pretty cool aqualucent features, which is a translucent effect that the natural sun actually creates inside the slide and creates a really neat visual experience. So a little bit of speed, a little bit of neat visual experience. It's kind of a perfect family attraction for us. We're really excited about it.
One of the things we like to look at Adventure Island is the park as a whole. We've got a lot of different types of attractions for a lot of different types of people. We've got thrill rides, we've got lazy rivers, pools, family rides. We looked at Key West Rapids, which was put in the 90s. It was a popular ride. It had a low height requirement. We wanted to keep that same feature. So we partnered with Whitewater to figure out how do we utilize the same Key West footprint to put in a ride that families can enjoy, kids can enjoy, but it still provides the thrills and something unique to Adventure Island.
So we're gonna take our first ride. Let's see how it goes.
All right, guys, have fun.
That's really cool. That was really fun. Okay, so we're all down here at Adventure Island. Solar Vortex is so much fun. Families are gonna love it. Also, fun fact about the slide, if you lean back on the dual tail sections, you'll actually get a little bit of a spin going or even go a little bit faster. It's super fun, great way to cool off in the summer or even spring break heat. Gotta come out and try it.